All right. We'll take up file 2021-57503. Natasha Wilson and Dale Wakefield, both are here via Zoom, and Mr. Wakefield's in the Nuevo County Jail on a bench warrant. Folks, I'm the referee of the court assigned to handle these matters. At the conclusion of this hearing, I'll make a recommendation that'll become a court order. Sir, you have the right to have a lawyer. If you wish, you could hire one, or I could appoint one for you, or you could proceed without and represent yourself. Do you know what you'd like to do?
I'll just proceed.
All right. Ms. Heaven, do you have an update in the matter?
I do. Mr. Wakefield has a monthly support obligation of $249 child support, $22 medical support, $25 confinement, for a total of $296 a month. Currently owes the plaintiff $5,566.34. The state $1,101.55. Fees $298. Total owing $6,965.89. We received $76.32 February 28th, 2023, $189.66 February 14th, 2023, $81.72 January 18th, 2023. There are prior contempts. This is a failed to comply issued May 23rd, 2023. It is a $1,000 cash bond or 45-day jail sentence. He was picked up by Grant Police Department on May 26th. He was in Ottawa County for 35 days. I think he was out for about a week. Our warrant got issued after he was released, and he was lodged this past weekend.
All right. And sir, do you agree that you owe the amount stated?
Yes.
All right. You haven't made payments since February. Why is that?
I've been going through a lot of stuff, dealing with court and stuff in a different county. And during the winter, I do snow removal. So it was kind of shoddy this winter because the snow removal wasn't that great. So the little bit that it was able to be made was just through the company I was working for. And I just recently got a lot of work lined up, and then had to go spend 30 days or 35 days in Ottawa County. And I could have been making payments this whole time if I was out working, but I can't make any money to send in here if I'm not out working. I've got work lined up right now, and I was in the process of trying to get a job out at Ravenna at the foundry, just to make sure that I had steady payments coming in and get this taken care of. But I just haven't had time. I've only been out of jail for a week. So, and without a vehicle right now, legal, I've been kind of relying on my friends when they're out of work and stuff to bring me back and forth. So.
All right. So do you have a child support obligation in Ottawa too? Is that what you were lodged for? Or?
No. That was a whole different case.
Oh, I see. All right. So
but that's all taken care of. There's no probation or anything. I just have a $300 fine, which I can take care of that this week if need be.
Oh, well, how much you got to pay?
I'd rather resolve this first.
How much do you have to pay toward this?
What's that?
How much do you have to pay towards this?
By the end of the week, I could bring up a few $100s. But I'd planned on getting it all taken care of by the end of this month, have it all paid off.
Almost $7,000. You're going to pay that off by the end of the month?
If I can. I work for myself right now. I do automotive repair and fabrication and welding. I work on a lot of old hot rods and stuff. So I've got a Hummer that's supposed to be coming to the shop this week for a frame repair. That's $1,700 worth of labor. And then he's supposed to be bringing in 2 cab corner and rocker repairs, which are $300 a side. That's another that's $1,200 right there. So I'd probably be able to bring up at least a few $1,000s here soon. I just got to be able to be there to do the work.
All right, ma'am, anything you want to say?
Yeah, the only thing I really have to say is I don't understand how he's supposed to pay child support, if he has a warrant, if his license gets revoked, all of this extra steps that we go to ensure that he's paying child support kind of hinders him from being able to pay that child support. And like you said, he just did 35 days in Ottawa County. So his son just went 35 days without him, was looking forward to being with his dad again, and then goes right back to Newaygo County when, he's a good dad. He's there. He takes his kid.
All right. Thank you. All right, at this time, I'll discharge the warrant, allow Mr. Wakefield to be released. Sir, you need to make your monthly payments each and every month. You should be all set.